good night. My name is Stuart Graciano. Today I'm going to talk about the chocolate. Assessment 1. In the past, Latin America, the cultures Mayas and Aztec used for multiple purposes. For example, it's a ritual drink. It was bitter taste and medicine. For example, offered to the gods. They also use cacao currency. For chocolate had a scarlet meaning. Today use different use. Past versus today. In past is a drink. Today is a drink and not sugar. Today is sweet in different size. Used for dessert is delicious. For candied, use cacao, use mass production, and different meaning. Sold worldwide in different presentation. For industry is consumed for million person. In my life, every day I drink chocolate. The best energy. Is my favorite best dessert. The chocolate used in special moments. For example, die special with my girlfriend. In family gifts. Is dangerous. Very consuming. For diabetics is unhealthy. The chocolate is the best symbol of happiness. Thanks. Goodbye.